Come on. Cheers to the birthday king. To the birthday man. To the birthday man. Happy birthday. How old are you? Tell the people.
None of your goddamn business. That's how old I am.
Tell the people. All right, tell the people in your wisdom how old you are.
In my wisdom,
Yeah.
I'm old as shit.
No, what we was just discussing, P.
Girl, I'm 50.
What you got to do with anything? Tell them what you are as far as like wisdom, building, understanding. What are you?
According to the Supreme Mathematics, I am.
Open your eyes.
Understanding. Build or destroy. Now what that means is you're understanding the fact that you could either build in this new upcoming year or you could destroy in this upcoming year.
What are you planning to do?
Choice. Well, I'm planning to build upon the good things in my life, upon the things that I want to do, upon my relationship with my wife, upon my health and fitness aspirations.
Thank God I'm included.
My music, you know, the fitness, the clothes, the styling, all of that. So I'm building it. So yeah, building for me.
All right, powerful.
Yeah, that's what this year is about, build and destroy. But I'm choosing to build.
All right.
Understanding, build for me.
All right, bless it. Peace.